1 by 2 plus tan 45 value 1. Cosecant 60 value means 2 by root 3 minus 2 by root 3 whole divided by secant 30 means cos 30 reverse 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 1 2 by root 3 1 by 2 cancel, right? No, not possible. Here plus is there, no plus or minus, so it's not possible. First we simplify these two. 1 by 2 plus 1 half plus 1 how much?
2.
1 and half. No, 1 and half means how can you write? 3 by 2 or else you write here 1. What is LCM? 2. Here 2 goes, here 1 goes. 1 plus 2 minus 2 by root 3. Understood this step? Understood? You have to know LCM. LCM is 2 barata. 1 into 1, 2 into 1. 1 plus 2 by 2. Numerator over. Now denominator. These two. Again same is there, no? So what will come answer? Here 2 root 3 plus 3 by 2. Here same 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 direct. Cancel barala ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 divided by 2 plus 3 2 by root 3 plus 3 by 2. This copy ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಲ್ಲ?
Yes sir.
Now see. Here what is LCM? Cross multiplication. This into this, this into this. What will become?
Root 3 by 3.
3 into root 3 minus
2.
2 into 2. Whole divided by 2 into root 3. Understood?
Yes sir. Cross
ಇದು into
multiplication.
ಇದು divided by ಇದು into ಇದು same. 2 2s are plus 3 root 3 divided by 2 root 3. This 2 root 3 get cancelled, right? Now what left? 3 root 3 minus 2 2s are 4. 2 plus 3 root. Generally in denominator we can't keep this in root value, so we have to factorize. To factorize what you have to do? Same number with opposite sign you have to divide and multiply. ಈ ತರ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಇಡಬಾರ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಈ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬೋತ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 3 root 3. Same number 4 minus 3 root 3 divided by 4 minus 3 root 3. ಏನಿತ್ತು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಆಗ ಸೈನ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸೈನ್ ಒಂದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಇವಾಗ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನ ಇಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. See here, this into this minus this into this. 3 root 3 into 4 minus 3 root 3. Next minus 4 into 4 minus 3 root 3. Now see here, a plus b into a minus b is equal to what? A square minus b square. So I can write here a square means what? Here a square means 4 square minus b square means what? 3 root 3 whole square. Now simplify it. 4 3 is a 12. Root 3 as it is. 3 3 is a
6.
here
9,
see,
sir.
root 3 into root 3
9.
9 minus 9. Root 3 into root 3 into root 9, right? 3 3 is a 9. Root 3 into root 3 root 9 minus 4 4 is a 16. Minus into minus plus 4 3 is a 12 root 3 divided by 4 square value 16 minus this is become square. ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9. ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಶಬ್ದ 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು? 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ 3 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 12 root 3 minus 9 into root 9 value 3 9 3 is a 27. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Minus 16 plus 12 root 3 divided by 16 minus 9 root 3. 12 root 3 plus 12 root 3 24 root 3. ಈ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮುಂದೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. minus 27 minus 16 33 43, right? minus 43 divided by 16 minus 27 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4 11. Yes. 24 root 3 minus 43 divided by minus 11. Denominator minus ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಮೇಲೆ minus ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು? ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. Cos 60, C is tan 60, B is sin 30. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು? ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ರೂಟ್ 3/2 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವ ರೂಟ್ 3/2 ಐತೆ? ಕಾಸ್ 30 ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. sin 30 ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ರೂಟ್ 3/2. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. See now 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. What is tan 30 value? 1 by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus, again what is the tan 30 value? 1 by root 3. Here square is there, but what is there? Square is there. 2 into 1 2 root 3 whole divided by 1 plus 1 square value 1 only. Square root of 3 whole square is cancel. What will become? 3, right? Now LCM. This one simplify and then 2 root 3. Here this one goes this side, this one goes this side. 3 into 1 3 plus 1 into 1 divided by 3. This step understood? Now 2 root 3 whole divided by 3 plus 1 4 by 3. Again what it become? 2 by root 3 into 3 by 3 by 4, right? ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ a by b whole divided by c by d ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋದು as it is a by b as it is ಇದೆ ಕೆಳಗಿರೋದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ d by c ಮೇಲೆ 2 by root 3 as it is ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ 3 ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಕೆಳಗೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರೈಟ್ 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 ones are 2 2s are 3 ones are 3 2 root 3 again in denominator root 3 is there so we can't write as it is answer so you have to simply factorize that what you have to do same number root 3 denominator go ಮತ್ತೆ numerator ಗೆ same number ಇಂದ divide and multiply ಮಾಡಿ 3 into root 3 3 into root 3 3 root 3 ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 2 ones are 2 root 3 into root 3 what root 3 whole square 3 into root 3 divided by 2 this cancel right into 3 what it become 3 root 3 divided by 3 2s are 3 3 get cancel 3 3 get cancel what left 3 root 2 what is the 3 root 2 value here in which option is correct ಯಾವ value root 3 2 by ಬರುತ್ತಾ cos 30 ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ
sin 30
sin 30 1 by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ
Sin 60.
sin 60 so answer is what
sin
sin 60
sir ಇದು divide ಬರ್ತದೆ sir
see this prove that this value is equal to this value so here what you have to do first you have to take LHS solve we'll get one answer then solve this one we'll get both answers same is you prove that answer otherwise it's wrong first we'll take LHS means what LHS means left hand right what is concentrate first here I will give time second 60 value 2 divided by cos 45 1 by root 2 minus 2 sin 90 value 1 cos 0 value 1 right plus tan 45 value 1 cosecant theta 30 value 2 right 2 by 1 means 2 now this will become 2 root 2 divided by 1 ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಮೇಲೆ 2 root 2 by 1 plus minus 2 ones are 2 plus 1 by 2 ಇಲ್ಲೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಾ 1 so what is your LCM now LCM is 2 ಇದು ಇವಾಗ ಇದು into 2 ಇದು into 2 ಇದು into 1 right understand ಇಲ್ಲೇನು LCM 2 1 ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದಷ್ಟು 2 ones are 2 ಒಂದಷ್ಟು 2 1 2 2 ones are 2 2 2s are 4 root 2 minus 4 plus 1 by 2 4 root 2 minus 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 by 4 LHS ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 4 root 2 minus 3 by 2 let us take right hand side what is right hand side sin square 45 value 1 by root 2 whole square 1 by root 2 whole square cosecant square 45 1 by root 2 means reverse root 2 whole square minus secant square value secant square value 1 square value so this one cancel 1 by 2 into square cancel 2 minus 1 1 by 2 1 by 2 so it's question I think cosecant square 45 secant yes We got LHS is equal to this, RHS is equal to this. Now we have to bring answer 1 by 2. Now see, secant 60 value 2. Right. Cot 45 1 minus 2 into 1 1 plus tan 45 1 cosecant 30 2, right? 2 minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Answer is 1 by 2. So LHS is equal to RHS. Simple ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes, now prove LHS is equal to RHS. Solve this. 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. Find out which one is answer. 0.
Yes, sir.
Right. 1 minus tan square 45 value. 1 minus 1 0. 0 by everything is 0. So what is the answer? 0. Option D. D for Delhi.
पता नहीं ध्वनि Hitchcock. Read Hitchcock.
A is equal to 2 sin A is true when A is equal to what?
60 sir.
And we can solve by hit and trial method. First we choose these options. First let us take this option B. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A. Where A is equal to, let us take 30 degree. Sin 2 into 30 degree is equal to 2 into sin 30 degree. Here sin 2 into 30 60 degree is equal to 2 into sin 30. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. 2 into sin 30 value 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is not equal to 1. So option B is not correct. Let us check option A. Here A is equal to what? 0. Sin 2 into 0 is equal to 2 into sin 0. Sin 2 into 0 is what? 0. 2 into sin 0 value 0. Sin 0 value 0. 2 into 0 0. It's true. So option A is correct. Hit and trial method.
If tan A plus B
If tan A plus B is equal to root 3
And
and tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. If A plus B is greater than 0 or equal or less than or equal to 90 degree, if A is greater than B, find A and B. This is the question how to solve. See here, first condition. First condition, solution tan A plus B is equal to root 3. What I am teaching you, this one in the second place, just now time being learn. A plus B, ಈ tan ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ tan inverse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Tan ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ tan inverse of root 3. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Tan inverse of root 3. A plus B root 3. ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಐತೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ tan root 3 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಐತೆ tan 60 ಎಷ್ಟು
Tan 60.
so this one 60 degree, this one 60 degree. Now tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. A minus B is equal to tan inverse of 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 how value is 30. So A minus B is equal to what? 30. This one called as equation number 1, this one called as equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, A plus B is equal to
B
60, A minus B is equal to 30. Just directly cancel. A plus A 2A plus B minus B
Plus B.
answer is equal to 60 plus 30
90.
90. A is equal to 90 by 2. 2 ones are
245 are
2 fours are 1 10 ಆಯ್ತು 2 5s are. So A is equal to how much? 45 degree. A is equal to 45 degree. This is in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? Equation number 1. What is equation number 1? A plus B is equal to 60. So A is equal to how much? 45 plus B is equal to 60. B is equal to 60 minus 45. 60 minus 45. So A is equal to how much? A is equal to 45. B is equal to 50.